Let's face it, traditional investing can feel intimidating. Stacks of paperwork, high fees, and the pressure to drop a big chunk of cash can leave you wondering if it's even worth getting started. But what if I told you there was a way to invest with just your leftover latte money? That's where Raiz Invest comes in. Today, we're diving deep into the world of micro-investing with Raiz, specifically tackling the question, how much do you actually need to start? Buckle up, because the answer might surprise you. Raiz Invest, making investing accessible. Imagine this, you grab your morning coffee, pay with your debit card, and Raiz Invest rounds up the purchase to the nearest dollar. Those extra cents? Instead of jingling around in your pocket, they're automatically invested in your chosen portfolio. Pretty cool, right? This is the core idea behind Raiz Invest, making investing accessible for everyone, regardless of income level or financial expertise. They offer a variety of features designed to help you grow your wealth gradually, one spare cent at a time. So, what's the minimum investment with Raiz? Here's the exciting part, there actually isn't a minimum account balance requirement to open a Raiz Invest account. You can literally start with $0. That's right, $0. It's all about getting your foot in the door and building the habit of investing. But wait, there's more. While there's no minimum to open, Raiz Invest does have a minimum threshold for their automated investing features, like roundups. This threshold is typically set at $5. So, all those rounded up cents from your daily purchases will accumulate until they reach $5, at which point they'll be automatically invested in your chosen portfolio. This $5 minimum ensures your spare change adds up to meaningful investments over time. Plus, you can always make manual deposits of any amount whenever you like. Raiz Invest, it's all about flexibility. The beauty of Raiz Invest lies in its flexibility. You can set your own pace, invest as little or as much as you want, and adjust your roundup settings to fit your spending habits. Feeling a bit tighter on cash one month? No problem. Simply pause your automatic deposits or roundups until your budget loosens up again. Raiz Invest, a stepping stone to financial growth. Raiz Invest is a fantastic platform for anyone looking to take that first step towards investing. It allows you to start small, build a consistent investing habit, and learn the ropes without breaking the bank. As your comfort level and financial situation grow, you can gradually increase your contributions and explore different investment options within the platform. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Raiz Invest provides a user-friendly and affordable way to get started on your investment journey, one spare dollar at a time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.